key dates, philosophy and interest of the code. The RCC-C is an industrial code published by AFCEN and widely shared in use in the nuclear industry in France and abroad. It is an organizational and technical reference framework for the design and manufacture of fuel assemblies and road control cluster assemblies, RCC-A, of pressurized water nuclear reactors, PWR. Since 1981, it has been updated regularly through numerous editions and benefited in 2015 from a major overhaul. The design and manufacturing rules brought together in the RCC-C benefit from the development works carried out in France and abroad, which have been successfully completed and whose industrial operating feedback is taken into account. Design elements related to the respect of the safety requirements. The RCC-C defines the rules to follow for the design of products in order to ensure the safety demonstration of the nuclear reactors receiving them, and thus to meet the associated requirements to respect the 4 safety functions, which are the containment of radioactive materials, the reactivity control, the core cooling, and the radiation protection. The RCC-C is a reference framework whose use is known by the regulators, including in France, the Nuclear Safety Authority, AFCEN. Design, manufacturing links. On the basis of the RCC-C, manufacturers are able to demonstrate the conformity of the design of their products to the requirement of the code and to define the important parameters for manufacturing. The link between design and manufacturing is performed through specific requirements for the products and components, as well as for their manufacturing processes and inspection methods. Manufacturing and inspection. The manufacture of materials, parts and components of fuel assemblies and road control cluster assemblies is usually a mass production by batches or flows. Therefore, the mastery of manufacturing and inspection processes is essential to ensure the quality and the conformity of the products to design requirements. To this end, the RCC-C implements an approach based on the inspection of the product characteristics in a systematic way or by sampling method associated with a qualification prior to any production of the manufacturing and inspection processes and manufacturing lines, also known as product qualification. The products made using these control processes and evaluated as conform can then be introduced in reactor. Surveillance. The RCC-C defines the key principles of the surveillance that the nuclear reactor operator must perform on the design and manufacturing activities of its suppliers and their subcontractors. This surveillance, independent in terms of resources and methods, does not replace the technical control activities of the suppliers, but helps to guarantee the respect of the requirements, ensuring the expected qualities of activities important for the safety and the desired performances of the products. AFCEN provides certified trainings for users of the RCC-C